Welcome, in front of me is a POPTEL P8, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So, to take out the tray, it's located on the left side. You don't really need any tool, you can just use your fingernail, and you can see it right here. It has like a little slit where you can put your finger in there and just pry it off. So let me try to do that. Just let me get a better grip on it. There we go. So you can see it come out. Now, if you don't have fingernails for this, or it's hard to get out, you can always use something like this. Just pry it in there, and let me see if I can get it. There we go. You can see it also comes out. So once you take it out, you will see that you have access to either one SIM and one SD card, or two different SIMs. Now, the main one that you put in the SIM card will be the middle size one. So you can get a comparison. This is the smallest one, and this is the second one in size. So you will see that it goes in here, and that is the only thing it can go in this tray. While in the closer to the edge, you will have space for either the, I think it's nano SIM. Oops, if I can actually get it in there. Like this. Or you can just substitute it with the SD card by placing it like so. So you can see that they're both in there. And once they're laying flush in there, as you can see they are, all you need to do is just slide it back into the device. There we go. And the SIM card has a pin, so let me just put it in. Nope. And you can see that the SIM is working and SD card as well. So both of them are working just fine. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.